Let's play with AI characters and navigation areas. We have a navigation area created here, you can see, and some objects like rock and some designer objects. Okay, and okay, save it. Now we want to debug my navigation area. AI debug navigation area type, visualize medium-sized characters. You can see the blue regions is where our AI character can walk into, or for example drive a vehicle or walk around. But there is a problem here. You can see these two blue area here. When our AI character wants to walk from this side to this side, the character will try to walk in this blue points, but these points is top of in top of that rocks, and our AI character will stuck here and can't move. So we need exclude inaccessible areas from our navigation area. So we need to create a new navigation area around our exclusion paths. Okay, this is our created navigation area, and we need to place a navigation set point on inside our created navigation area. Now click your navigation area and tick exclusion. You can see the blue surfaces was deleted. Okay, this is now another one is cover surfaces. Cover surfaces is where AI can take cover. Click cover surface. When you see this red object on cover surface, it means your cover surface places in wrong position. Your cover surface must be placed in edge of any brush object to create a cover area. Please. Okay, I want to move it to edge of this designer object. Okay, let's move it so. Okay. Okay, we need to rotate it. Edit, fast rotate, customize fast rotate to 180. Okay, now let's fast rotate it. Edit, fast rotate to Z axis. Okay, it's rotated 180 degrees. You can see that green area is where your AI character can take cover. You can see your character can take cover at this area. Let's another one here. You can see now your AI character can take cover here, and let's add some AI path here. AI path used for example walking characters or driving vehicles. we want to add this AI path here and here. Okay, everything is fine. Let's add some AI enemy here. Move to legacy entities, AI characters, human, and place it here. Okay, there are some options for our player character, or for AI characters. You can see, for example, it's equipment packs. Equipment packs is what weapons can AI character carry. AI rifle is AI character which has a rifle weapon. Also in pistol, rocket launcher, shotgun, and empty which has no weapon. Player default is default player equipment pack. You can modify your equipment packs from here, tools, deprecated, equip pack, editor. Okay, you can see, for example, any weapons you created here in C++ and Lua will listed here. There is some defaults here which added. You can modify, for example, AI rifle. Okay, rifle, for example, you can attach silencer to it. You can attach assault scope, sniper scope. I want to modify player to show you. For example, I want to attach sniper scope to the full player rifle weapon. Just click OK. Also, you can pack editor. What's happened here? Tools, pack. Okay, player default. For example, rifle. You can rifle wallet. You can set rifle bullet here. For example, I set 200 as our default rifle bullet. Okay, this is, and another one is modular behavior tree. Is a behavior of your AI character. You can create and modify behavior trees from tools and tools. There is no modular behavior editor here. I think they here. You can create and modify behavior trees here. For example, new, and you can save and more. Okay, we don't want to modify them. Just STK Grant 7 is advanced behavior tree. Default comes with CryEngine, but you can create and modify these behaviors. Okay, this is, and another one is faction. Is your AI character's faction. For example, if you set it to player, this AI will become the player's friend. Civilian, wildlife, use floor, boys and animals, guardians and assassins is for player enemies. We just set it to ground. Okay, and there is more options here. For example, play this song, and more. Okay, we want to add another AI here where we created our AI file. Let's apply a color to it. Okay, to be visible. Okay, game AI navigation up debug, and that's it. Okay, add another human here. You can rotate it by rotating your mouse wheel. Okay, place it here and set its faction to player. If you want to fight these two AI with ever, set it to player. Okay, let's create a follow graph for walking our AI along this created AI path. Just create a follow graph, set it a name, AI walking, AI walking. Okay, I want to attach my follow graph document follow graph here. Okay, let's hide unnecessary panels. Okay, just add node AI sequence move along path. Add node AI sequence and start. Add node AI sequence start. Okay, add node AI sequence end. Okay, connect this to this. Select your AI, right click, assign selected, right click, assign selected, right click, assign select. Link it to start. And right click, add start node. Output. Okay. You can also add some delay now and more. For example, right click, time delay. 1 second delay after game starts. Okay, we need to minimize this graph. Okay, speed walk, stance relaxed, path name. We need to use our created path. Its name is AI path 1. Just copy and here. Right click, paste. You can test this first. Enable follow graph debug and just enable AI physics. Don't forget to save your level. You can see our AI was following this path, and now when AI sees that character, you can see our AI takes cover here, and they are fighting with ever. You can see our AI stuck here because we are not setting everything correctly, and I tell you why. Now let's back and game AI debug visualize vehicle medium. You can see our AI can move from here. Just pick our just pick our designer and our cover surface. Where is that? Cover surfaces. cover surface 1 and our designer object. Let's move them and move AI or AI here. Yeah, AI navigation regenerate pending change. Okay, this is simple for working or player to hear. And now we want to respawn our AI when he was died. Okay, right click on it and create follow graph. AI rewind. Okay, add node, add selected entity. You can see this entity will loaded in follow graph. Okay, we want to uh, revive it after he died. You can see died node here. Died and AI okay, we just want to add uh, we just drag it and release here. You can see we want to write delay. Okay, time delay will appear here. Enter and after 1 second our AI has died. We just relink it to spawn and let's test it. Debug mode is on to visualize what is happening. You can see our AI is taking cover in our cover surface. Oh no. Okay, after exit 1 second you can see he spawned again. Okay, you can do it for your another AI too, or you can simply just pick your AI, just uh, press Ctrl C, Ctrl V. Your AI will clone easily. You have two AI when and this AI when die they will respawn after dying after 1 second. For example, we want to add more delay for spawning. Okay, we can repeat it for our AI player too, and that's it. Okay, also you can change their equipment packs and assign what you want. Okay, I want to stay and press Ctrl G to switch to game mode. If you remember, I assigned a sniper scope to my rifle. You can see the sniper scope assigned to my entity and much more. Oh, he's respawned. Another one. After respawning, you can set its location. For example, I want to add tag point here, AI tag point, and I want to let it keep it here. Okay, let's add here node entity get pos is used for getting possession of an object. Select your tag point and assign it to this. Okay, after some delay, our AI will spawn at our tag point location. Get and add node entity set entity pos. Okay. No, let's use move entity to. Select your AI, right click, assign selected entity. Okay, and connect passport of your tag point to destination position. Okay, after your player spawned, you just call this. Okay, after our player spawned, forcefully move it to tag point location. Here we can choose method for moving entity, speed or time. We will choose time. In 1 millisecond, move our AI in 1 milliseconds to tag point's location. Let's test it. We'll spawn here and kill that AI. Hey, where you're going? Okay. No, not for. Let's debug what's happened. Code says bird. Let's post destination world. Okay. Want to wait. Delete add node entity pos. Entity pos. Okay. Assign our AI. Assign pos. Okay. And assign our let's taste it again. It works, you can see. Okay, we want to spawn it in random locations. Just click your tag point, Ctrl C, Ctrl V, and move clone it to another location. For example, here, Ctrl C, Ctrl V, and move here. You have 3 random points here. Okay. Just clone it, copy, right click, paste without link. One and another one. Assign your second tag point and assign third assign third point. Okay. No, we can clone it here but without links. Let's click right click, paste without link, pass, 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 pass. Okay. Now we need to set these positions randomly. Add node, math, random, mean value 1, max 3. Okay. After that, we want to generate random height, or we want to use span. Okay. Out. Add node, math, equal check. For example, out will be our random generated number 1. Okay, just copy it and now paste with link to paste it again. Another one, paste with link. Okay, equal to 2 and equal to 3. Okay, if 1 is true, use first tag point is 2 and 3. Okay, just delete debug info and switch to game to see what happened. Okay, let's kill our AI. Hey, where are you going? Wait. Okay. What generated? Oh, unrounded. We need to use round output instead of out because our number generated with floating point. Okay, you can see our random was generated number 3, excuse me, and equality check or check it with number 3, and when true our other nodes was executed. Let's delete this data and again switch to game. You can see second and again, and you can see another one, you can see another one again. You can see, okay, it's working, everything is fine. You can use follow graph to design gameplay logic and more what you want. Okay, that video was finished and thanks for watching.